Let me just get my earrings on. Without stickiness, don't like stickiness, and it helps moisturize dry skin. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it has been a really long time since I did a video centered all around K-beauty, K-skincare. I know you guys sometimes like to see the new products that I'm trying, product testing and mini reviews, stuff like that. So this video is going to be completely dedicated to that. Now, one of the reasons I don't do a lot of K-beauty videos on my channel is because I know a lot of you guys are based in the States or Canada or England, and it can be really hard to get your hands on these products. So I'm really excited to let you guys know that in this video I'm actually collaborating with a company called BeautyNet Korea. It's basically an online shop that supplies a ton of different Korean skincare and makeup brands. So everything I'm showing you guys in this video you can get on their website. There's a ton of websites out there that supply K-beauty products if you're living abroad, but a lot of them upcharge a lot. So this website in particular, they don't upcharge. It's basically one of the cheapest places that you can get K skincare and makeup products. And what's really cool is if you order from their website and then leave reviews on their products, you can accumulate points and then use those points to purchase new products. So I actually got one package of skincare from them about a month ago, and I've been testing out 4 products in particular. And then they also sent me a separate box of makeup, which I'm so excited about. I love trying new makeup, and I have been using some of those products, but I also haven't opened some of them. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a little testing and a little reviewing of some stuff that I've already tried. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and put my little headbandy on so that we can get my hair out of my face. I'm so excited. I love doing these videos. It's so chill just to talk to you guys and try products out. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas thus far. It's been so much fun filming as much as I have been, and I don't know, I feel like this year has been such a whirlwind of emotions, and it's kind of nice to end the year off on a fun and creative note like we are right now. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is exfoliating my face. I do have a little bit of dry skin on my chin area, and by the way, this is my skin in its rawest form right now. I actually don't have any current breakouts, but this is just some inflammation and scarring from a breakout I had like 2 days ago. So that's what that is about. But I'm going to start off with my exfoliator. What's cool about BeautyNet Korea is they actually have their own 2 product lines. So one of them is called EYENLIP and the other one is FABYOU. So you guys are going to see me trying products from both of those brands in this video. So I'm going to be using this scrub. It's actually kind of hard for me to find a decent face scrub here in Korea, surprisingly. I feel like I've tried a lot out, haven't really found one that I'm in love with, but this one has been working really well, especially in the colder winter months. So this is the Eggplant Baking Powder Pore Scrub, and I never heard of a product that had eggplant in it, but actually eggplant fruit extract helps moisturize the skin and control the sebum secretion. And this is also really good for calming your skin if it's irritated like me. Sometimes when you're using scrubs, it can actually irritate your skin even more. So whenever I buy a scrub, I look for something that specializes in calming the skin. So when I exfoliate, I usually try and focus on the areas that I have dead skin, obviously. And I always try and use my fingers with a really light scrubbing motion because I feel like sometimes we can get a little bit carried away with scrubbing. I actually keep this in the shower, and I tend to exfoliate usually like 2 times a week. I try not to do anything more than that. Alright, now that that is done, I'm going to go in with this new toner I've been using. I've been using this for also about 3 or 4 weeks now, and I am obsessed with this. I had to bring this to Busan when I visited the other day just because it's been really working well for my skin. So this is their other brand, FABYOU, and it's their Red Blemish AC toner. And obviously it's geared for helping clear your red blemishes. One of my pet peeves when it comes to toners are sticky toners. I can't stand them. So what I love so much about this is as soon as it hits your skin, it turns into a very watery consistency and it's not sticky at all. And one of the key ingredients in this is the propolis extract, which is key for helping with skin regeneration and immunity for situations like this. And there's also kudzu extract in here, which is really good for supplying nutrients to your skin. It has an abundance of nutrients and for moisture retention as well. So when I do my toners, I typically apply it on a cotton pad, just like this. I usually do like 4 pumps. And I'm just going to apply it down here, just like that. And then on the rest of my face, I'm also gonna apply it, and I'm just gonna use my hands for this. Be careful not to use a cotton pad if you have like a open breakout or something on the rest of your skin, because you don't want to spread that all over your face. And this is one of the only toners I've used that doesn't make it feel like my skin has just been stripped of all of its oils. Like my skin feels more moisturized after I use this toner, honestly. All right, so that is that on my toner. Next product I've been using is the Red Blemish AC spot cream. This is amazing. I'm actually not going to be applying this right now because I apply this at night. I will apply this in the morning if I'm not wearing makeup, but I'm going to be putting makeup on after this, so we're going to skip this. But I just wanted to show you guys it. This is amazing. I use this on open breakouts and it does something magical. It basically dries the breakout up while healing it at the same time. So I can have a huge like pustular acne. I'll put this on and by the time I wake up, it's not gone by any means, but it is a lot better. This contains firewood extract, which if you didn't know, firewood extract is amazing for suppressing irritation. So if you're ever gonna use any kind of spot cream, look for one like this that has firewood extract in it, because that's what's gonna really help calm the irritation down. And there's also Ajatika extract in here, which is really good for strengthening your skin's pores. All right, before we move on to makeup, I am going to apply my cream I've been using. So for me in winter, and I'm sure you guys can relate to this, moisturizing is like the biggest thing ever. So finding a good moisturizer is something I'm kind of always on the hunt for when it comes to the colder seasons. I love this. It contains green tea extract, which always does wonders for my skin. It really, like when I apply this at night specifically, I wake up feeling like I had a facial the night before. Such a nice cream, and it smells amazing too. I'm reading the label right now and it also says it contains 17 probiotic ingredients that help balance the skin and strengthen the skin barrier without stickiness, because we don't like stickiness, and it helps moisturize dry skin. I do want to show you one other product. I'm not going to be using this in this video, but I wanted to mention it. So this is the EYENLIP detoxifying bubble mask, and it has charcoal in it. If you are somebody that struggles with an excess of blackheads, I definitely recommend trying this because the charcoal in this helps alleviate those blackheads from your skin. But yeah, back when I was in college, I suffered from oily skin, and charcoal masks were literally my go-to item for helping ease the oiliness on my face. So I definitely recommend this. It's from the EYENLIP brand. All right, so skincare is done. I am someone that really never tries to directly apply makeup like the minute after I finish my skincare. I like to give my skin at least like 10 minutes to chill. So while this is all settling in, I'm gonna go grab the box of makeup products that I got from Beauty Net Korea, and we're gonna actually apply the makeup on my face. Alright, skin is ready for makeup application now. So I'm really excited to show you guys all these products. Most of these are pretty spanking new. However, there are 4 products in here that I've been using for a while and I really love. This is one of the newer products that I've only tried once, but I like it so far. It is the ELIZAVECCA Skin Layer Primer. Okay, you guys, you gotta have a primer on your face. This one is very different from anything I've ever tried because it has a little bit of a peach tint to it, but it doesn't make your face peachy. I usually have only seen like white brightening primers or just clear primers. This one is incredibly creamy in a way. It makes your face feel so incredibly smooth. I really like this. I want to keep things pretty simple today. If I was going out and taking a ton of pictures, I would probably put concealer down here, but because I am just going over to my friend's house today, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to use a cushion foundation. I love my cushion foundations. So I got this one off Beauty Net Korea, and it is the MISSHA Magic Cushion Cover Lasting foundation. But I feel like when I use this, I don't even really need concealer. Cushions are something I have to switch up depending on the season, because in the summer, obviously, it's a lot more humid and moist outside, but in the winter, I'm looking for one that is really moisturizing. So that's kind of why I like to go for this one. And then I usually just put the excess on my eyelids as a base for my eye makeup later. I did do my brows before starting this video. I used my Luna brow pencil. It's literally my ride or die eye pencil, but Beauty Net Korea sent me this, and it is the ETUDE Tint My 4 Tip Brow applicator. It's basically one of those brow pens that has kind of like a brush to it, and it's just for tinting. Ooh, ooh. Do you guys see, did you see that? Or is that just me? I don't know. My eyebrows are definitely two different shapes. Even if I tweeze them, they're still just different shapes. They won't grow the same. So I feel like this is something that can really help me make them look more similar. And Etude House is a very, very affordable makeup brand. I'm not gonna lie, not everything from Etude House is great. I don't really recommend their foundations, but as far as their eye products, I definitely use their eyeshadow and their eyeliner on a daily basis. So, ooh. This is fun. I really like this. All right, moving on. I got some Too Cool for School products. I'm obsessed with Too Cool for School. It's such a great brand. Their stuff is so fun. This is one of the trio highlighters. Love these colors. I also will use these on my lid. So I'm just gonna go in with a kind of like blending brush. I use blending brushes to do my highlight. What about you guys? I feel like it's just more, I don't know, easier to pinpoint the spot on your face. So I just highlight my cheekbones, do a little on my nose, and then I'm gonna go in with the more champagne-y color, and I literally just use that on my lid for a really simple look. It just makes your eyes pop a little more. Then with a fine brush, I'm gonna take the lighter shade on this powder, and I'm gonna pop that in my inner corner. I love this little inner corner pop. I've been doing this, I think, since I started doing makeup. It makes a huge difference if you ask me. But I usually just do a little on my inner corner like this. Another thing from Etude House that I got is the Dear Darling tint. So this is something that you can use on your lips. I also like to use this on my cheeks as a little blush. And when I was shopping in the Etude House store, she actually told me I could do this. I thought originally that this was only for lips. You can also use a sponge, obviously, but I don't have a sponge that I use specifically for blush. I only have blush brushes, so I'm just using my fingers, which is kind of nice because I feel like you can have more control. All right, now that all my cream makeup is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it with my powder. And I realize I did my highlight already, and I should have probably done my powder first, but we can go back in and touch up if we have to. All right, so that is it for the face makeup. Moving on to finishing up the eyes, I'm gonna be using a waterproof pen eyeliner, and this is from the MACQUEEN New York brand. I had never tried anything from this brand before getting this box from Beauty Net Korea, but I actually really like this pen. It's also the first time I've ever owned a brown eyeliner pen, and it definitely gives a much more soft and neutral look, and something about the tip of this eyeliner is a lot more soft than anything I've tried before. It literally just glides on. Do you see how easy that was? Let's do the other side. And finally, for mascara, I'm using the MISSHA 4D mascara. Really like this mascara for like a long wispy look and not necessarily like a thick lash look. It's definitely better for lengthening in my opinion. And then the final touch, I'm just gonna go back in with that Etude House lip tint, and I'm gonna put a little bit just on the insides. I love this lip tint so much. And that is our completed makeup look. This is kind of like my no makeup look. I feel like it's super natural. I don't have any crazy sparkles or any crazy shimmers or bronzers going on. As I said, I did get some more skincare and makeup products from BeautyNet Korea, but I have not had the chance to fully try them out yet, so I don't want to give you guys a solid review on them just yet, but I am going to insert some footage of swatches of all of those items. Alright, let me just get my earrings on to complete the look. I feel like these are my new staple earrings, and yes, they are clip-ons because my earring holes are messed up, so I can only wear clip-ons. But that is it for my December K-Beauty skincare and makeup haul slash mini demo. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. I'm so happy that I've been able to find some new skincare and makeup products that are working really well for me. I really do love this makeup look, so if you start seeing me wear something a little more natural and soft, it's using all of these products. Thank you again to BeautyNet Korea for sponsoring this video. I didn't mention this at the beginning, but they often have promotions going on, so if you go on their website, there's actually a tab that you can see any of their hot sales that they have going on at the moment. And as I said, they are one of the only K-beauty shops that are price competitive, meaning they don't do a crazy amount of upcharging on their product. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are enjoying Vlogmas thus far. Let me know what other videos you want to see this Vlogmas. I've been loving doing my vlogs, but I also do love doing just chill, sit down videos like this where I get to talk to you guys and show you stuff I'm loving. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to have all of my other Vlogmas videos linked below if you've missed any, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys!